Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing with you the initial task, learning about us in English for a specific purpose. Welcome. My name is Wilfredo Mosquera. I'm 30 years old and I was born in Turbo. I'm coursing ninth semester at UNAT University. I'm coursing a Bachelor in English as a foreign language. I expect of this course to learn and share experience to improve my pedagogical practice. Also, I hope to acquire more knowledge related to strategies to teach English. And finally, I expect to make a lot of material to develop fantastic English classes according to the new century education. My cell phone number is 31045588795 and my email is mosquerawilfredi@gmail.com. Now, I'm going to answer 5 questions considering the GATE activity. The first question is, according to the course description, what could your personal goal be while completing the course and why? My personal goal is to strengthen my pedagogical experience as a result of the academic impacts provided by this course. What is the reason? It's really important to take advantage of this content offered by the course in order to qualify professionally and respond with qualify to the development of English language skills. Second, according to the course content, how do you think the course will help to improve your teaching competencies? I believe this could clearly focus on the teaching of English language and it articulates with the design of pedagogical material from the information and communication technologies and text-based approach. Number 3. According to the course content, what are the 5 topics you like the most and why? 1. The development of ESP. 2. ESP, approach, not product. 3. Theories of learning. 4. Material design. And 5. Methodology in English for a specific purpose. What is the reason? I reckon these topics are very important in the training of English language graduates, since these topics will complement this didactic training and it will help to establish relevant strategies for classroom practice. It's a really an important reason for me. Fourth question. According to the course content, how does ESP relate to your language learning experience? The pandemic has exposed realities and our education system, showing the lack of tools and strategies of mainly focus on the skill of learners. Therefore, these contents are a fundamental basis for the creation of appropriate pedagogical material for learning the English language. The ESP course will help me focus as an innovative teacher. And finally, the number 5 is, have you been enrolled in ESP course in the past? If so, which one? What did you like or did not like about it? I have studied material designing for virtual environments. I really like this course because it allowed me to learn about many technological tools or websites and carry out a more interactive and interesting English class. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your attention and see you next in another opportunity. Bye bye.